Namaste, viewers. It's Wednesday morning, February 5, 2025, and I'm your host, Sunil Thakker of Sunny Talks Money. Welcome to ST Money's Business News, where we provide you the latest and updated 5-minute stock market wrap. But before we roll on, please do subscribe, share, and like this video. Thank you. And now, let's roll. Sensex and Nifty surged in the second half of February 4 and closed nearly 2% higher after the US hit pause on planned tariffs for Canada and Mexico, offering a temporary relief from escalating trade tensions. But China wasted no time in retaliating, imposing fresh tariffs on certain US imports. US crude prices dropped nearly 2% as new tariffs on China took effect, with West Texas Intermediate crude down 1.8% and Brent futures falling 1.2%. Benchmark equity indices, BSE Sensex and NSE Nifty 50 ended with good gains on Tuesday. The 30-share Sensex settled at 78,583, up 1,397 points, 1.81% from its previous close. Similarly, the NSE Nifty 50 ended at 23,739, up 387 points or 1.62%. 39 constituent stocks of the Nifty 50 ended higher, led by Shriram Finance, L&T, Bharat Electronics, Dani Ports, and IndusInd Bank. On the other hand, Trend, ITC Hotels, Britannia, Hero MotoCorp, and Nestle India were among the top laggards of Nifty 50. Notably, index heavyweight Reliance Industries ended higher by 2.97% at rupees 1,282.90. Broader indices mirrored the benchmarks, with the mid-cap shares leading the charge as the Nifty Mid-Cap 100 Index ended higher by 1.56%. The Nifty Small-Cap 100 Index also ended in positive territory with gains of 1.09%. The rally was broad-based, with 12 out of the 13 sectoral indices holding steady in the green throughout the session. The lone exception? Nifty FMCG would slip 0.5%, taking a breather after last week's strong gains. The market capitalization surged by rupees 5.6 lakh crores yesterday. Among individual stocks, shares of Gland Pharma fell 5% after the stock received downgrades and price target cuts following another disappointing quarter in December. Godrej Properties climbed over 3% after stating it is on track to exceed its FY25 bookings guidance of rupees 27,000 crores. Vodafone Idea shares rose 3% after Finance Secretary Tuhin Kanta Pandey told CNBC TV 18 that Centre is still considering a decision on adjusted gross revenue AGR dues, suggesting that the proposal is still under review. Shares of Castrol India jumped over 6% after the company announced a 12% year-on-year rise in net profit to rupees 271 crore for the quarter, which ended on December 31, 2024. Kajaria Ceramics slipped over 2% after reporting a 25% year-on-year drop in net profits to rupees 77.7 crores for Q3 FY25, down from rupees 104.2 crore a year ago. In the US overnight, following a slide fueled by uncertainties over a trade war, US stocks rose on Tuesday as investors saw reason for optimism for a trade breakthrough between the US and China after President Trump delayed tariffs for Canada and Mexico. The S&P 500 rose 0.7%, the Nasdaq climbed 1.3%, and the Dow Jones Industrial Average added 0.3%. Brent crude is $76.18 a barrel. Gold is rupees 83,890 per 10 grams, and silver is rupees 96,080 per kilogram. Today's outlook for the Indian market. The Nifty has moved up following a falling wedge pattern retest, indicating the possibility of a decent rally in the short term. Additionally, the index has been sustaining above the critical 21-day EMA on the daily time frame. The RSI is in a bullish crossover and rising after forming a base on the daily time frame, indicating strong momentum. In the short term, the index may move towards 24,050 and higher, while support levels are placed at 23,500 and 23,250. Market experts now shift focus to the RBI's policy decision on February 7th. With Sensex and Nifty still 10% below their all time highs, analysts do not foresee a deep correction but expect a sideways or time wise consolidation in the coming months. Stocks to watch today: Titan, Whirlpool, Gandhar Oil Refinery, Tata Power, Religare Enterprises, PC Jeweler, PG Electroplast, Aadhar Housing Finance, Tricom, Max Life, Sun Pharma, JB Chemicals and Pharma, Birla Corporation, and Delton Cables will be in focus in trade on Wednesday, February 5. That's it for today. I'll see you tomorrow morning. Happy investing, stay inspired, and remember, it is all about money.